Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So ang gagawin namin for today's video is papakita ko sa iyo mga card collection ko. So what I'm waiting for, tara samahan niyo ako. Hi, I'm Paul Matthew B. Sumera. I was diagnosed with autism and I'm also part of the Autism Society Philippines that is filled with great and wonderful people that give people with disabilities a chance to fit in with the rest of the society. I love to work out, playing basketball, eat lots of food. Now I'm also getting into vlogging. I hope you enjoy this video. So guys, today's video, papakita ko sa inyo card collection ko. So tagal-tagal natin hindi tayo nagkaroon card collection. So let's reveal the first card collection dahil sa limits. Last week, dahil ako sa GH, so i-repeat pa natin. So Chris Middleton, isa siyang NBA All-Star, so isa siyang kaduo or trio ni Giannis at ni Damian Lillard sa Milwaukee Bucks. A walking bucket for Milwaukee. Ito doon nasa average for the 20 points for in 4 of the 5 past seasons talaga. Continuing to fill it up this season. He hit that number on the nose on December 13, knocking down 3-pointers, adding a trio of assists to help the Bucks run well over the Warriors at Pacers form. Pero station mo kay Chris Middleton, isa siyang pinakamagaling na mag 3-pointers at saka sa assist. Magaling siya pumasa. Next out is Miles Turner, the big man of Indiana Pacers. So si Miles Turner is siyang isang block shot, magaling mag-defensa, mag-offense, inside, outside the court sa Indiana. Magaling sumalpal, magaling lay-up, magaling mag-points. Tsaka last to magtakto si Master. Ito, first time NBA All-Star, Tyrese Maxey. Ito, si Tyrese Maxey, kasama to ni Joel Embiid sa 76ers. Pero astig din to, magaling to mag-dress si Maxey mismo. Sunod dito si B.I. Brandon Ingram, another NBA All-Star. Sunod dito si Jimmy Buckets, Jimmy Butler. Yes, si Jimmy Butler, isa siyang sa media day na ang hiling niya sa hairdo, pero astig din sa court when it comes to offense and defense, shooting, skills, and assist. Pati nga sa mga dunks, ang galing niya. Sabi ko, pero basa ko dito, Butler gets after it and he doesn't give up. Whether he's hounding a ball handler, dragging a board, barreling to the bucket, or hitting the deck for a loose ball, he goes all out every night, dialing up his intensity as high as it can go. He fires up his teammates with his passionate play. Pero para sa akin si Jimmy Butler, isa siyang passionate teammate sa Miami, isa siyang passionate player sa NBA. Hindi talaga as always. Bali mga teammates, pati coaches, lalo na mga Miami fans siya doon. Ladies and gentlemen, Jimmy Butler. So next pack, reveal ako sa ito, fan ako sa wrestling dito. Kaya speaking of wrestling, nakulik ako sa mga wrestling cards sa Unboxed last week. So i-review pa natin ngayon. First out, we have the Kakabalik pa lang to from TNA. Welcome back to the WWE. Naomi. Yes, si Naomi. Isa siyang WWE Women's Champion and Tag Team Champion with Sasha Banks before she left WWE. Tama. 2-time Women's Champion. Pero still feel the glow. Ladies and gentlemen, Naomi. Sunod dito. Ito din. From NXT, Josh Briggs. Yes, si Josh Briggs is isang big man from NXT. A good old country boy with fortune for punching trash talkers. Josh Briggs is a starving 6'8" powerhouse. He forms a hard-hitting, hard-parting with tag team with Brooks Jensen. The duo rolled in NXT UK and won the NXT UK tag titles with their rivals Pretty Deadly. Yes, si Josh Briggs is isang big man from NXT, 6'8". Mas malastig to si Josh Briggs. Sunod dito. From NXT to SmackDown. He's the father of Hall of Famer Rick Steiner and the uncle of Scott Steiner, Bron Breakker. Yes, NXT Champion, NXT Tag Team Champion Baron Corbin. Pero astig dito si Bron Breakker. Sa entrance niya, astig niya, pero plastic dito. Bawal para siyang aso. So ladies and gentlemen, Bron Breakker. Sunod dito, ito. Another NXT champion and also from Raw, former NXT champion, Intercontinental champion, Universal champion, United States champion, now a tag team champion from the Judgment Day, Finn Balor. Yes, Finn Balor was the greatest wrestler sa NXT during his prime, pero super stick niya sa ring hanggang ngayon. So Finn Balor, sunod dito, Wesley from NXT. Another former North American champion and a tag team champion with MSK. Sunod dito, yes, Mia Yim from SmackDown. Pero astig dito sa ring. At ito pang tamrap sa Indies at sa WWE. Lahat ang tumulong. Ito pinakastig na rin. Super ganda nito. Ito, childhood memories ko to. Nalaro ko to sa WWE Warzone. Lahat ng WWE games. As in lahat ng WWE games talaga. So, from the APA, another Hall of Famer, Farouk, also known as Ron Simmons. Ang pinaka-astig sa finisher is the Dominator. So dito, ito din from Raw, makalaban ni Seth Rollins to sa WrestleMania 40, Drew McIntyre. Then, so dalawa lang ito. So dalawa na lang. So NXT Champion, Intercontinental Champion, multi-time Tag Team Champion, and also a WWE Champion from the New Day, Big E. Yes, si Big E, napunto ko si Big E sa NXT. Kasi student 20 ang WWE dati. So, laking muscles niya talaga. Super aggressive sa ring. Super speed. So, sunod dito from LWO, Joaquin Wilde, Pinoy Pride. Ladies and gentlemen, Joaquin Wilde. So, another revealing of success of the NBA cards. So, huli na to. So, we have got here Magic Johnson. Yes, si Magic Johnson. Kinuha ko lang to. Isa siya mga Laker legend. So, ito. Another Magic Johnson card. So, ito din. Magic Moments. Itong kinuha ko to sa Green Hills. Astig din to. So, dito, from the Lakers roster, Eddie Jones and Nick Van Exel. So, time to reveal the newest NBA hoops 2023 and 2024. So, I've got here si Jalen McDaniels from Minnesota Timberwolves. Tapos, dito si Vando himself, Jared Vanderbilt of LA Lakers. Pero astig din to sa Lakers. Pero magaling siya mag-press, siya mag-depensa. Isa sa mga tutulong sa Lakers this year. So, tingnan natin kung nakapasok ng Lakers sa playoffs. Pero kakayanin yan mag-selecting or nalusot sila sa play-in. We'll see. So, dito si Aaron Wiggins, OKC. Tapos Emmanuel Quickly, Merrick Nichols. Sunod dito si Jabari Walker, Davion Mitchell. Meron ako dito from Lakers din, the Black Samurai, Rui Hachimura. Then, teka lang, another NBA All-Star dito si Jalen Bronson. Yes, Jalen Bronson, another All-Star from the Knicks. Naglaro siya this year, this year's NBA All-Star. Sunod dito si the all-crown slam dunk champion and the NBA champion, Aaron Gordon. And last but not least, Caris LeVert. So, yun lang guys. I'll see you on my next video. Hello guys, thanks for watching till the end. Remember to like, share, leave a comment down below, subscribe if you're not already, ring that notification bell, stay tuned for my next video. This is Matt signing out.